Hello everyone, my name is Fiza and I'm an instructor at AI Sciences. Tableau is a leading data visualization and analytics tool that empowers users to easily connect to, visualize, and analyze data to uncover actionable insights. Now, it basically provides a user-friendly interface that doesn't require extensive programming knowledge, allowing individuals from diverse backgrounds, including business users, analysts, and data scientists, to work with data effectively. Developed by Tableau Software, it provides an intuitive interface for users to explore, analyze, and understand complex datasets. With Tableau, users can create interactive dashboards, reports, and visualizations that basically facilitates exploration and understanding of complex datasets. Now, whether you are a business executive tracking key performance indicators, or you are a data analyst examining trends, or you are a researcher presenting findings, Tableau offers tools and capabilities to meet your needs. Tableau's importance in the world of data analytics is underscored by its widespread adoption and the multitude of job opportunities it creates for professionals skilled in its use. Here are some statistics and insights into the job market related to Tableau. According to job market analysis platforms like Indeed and LinkedIn, there has been a steady increase in the demand of Tableau professionals over the past few years. Organizations across various industries recognize the value of data-driven decision-making and are actively seeking individuals proficient in Tableau to harness the power of their data. Tableau professionals command competitive salaries due to the specialized nature of their skills. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for Tableau developers in the US ranges from $70,000 to over $120,000 per year, depending on the factors such as their experience, location, and industry. Now that's interesting, right? The demand for Tableau professionals has been growing rapidly. Between 2018 to 2021, job postings requiring Tableau skills are increased by approximately 35%, according to data from Burning Glass Technologies. The job market for Tableau professionals is diverse, which offers roles such as Tableau developer, business intelligence analyst, data analyst or scientist, data visualization specialist, business analyst, dashboard designer, data engineer, and many more. Today's popularity extends globally, creating job opportunities in various countries and regions. Organizations worldwide are investing in Tableau and seeking professionals who can leverage its capabilities to drive insights and innovation. Tableau is consistently listed among the top skills sought by employees in the field of data analytics and business intelligence. According to LinkedIn's 2021 Emerging Job Reports, data visualization skills, including proficiency in Tableau, are among the fastest growing skills in the workforce. If you want to learn more about this topic, you can check out the link in the description that will help you in mastering this domain.